Color quantification is a feature that allows you to quantify blood flow. It is available in Cine mode. Scan the anatomy of interest and activate color or power Doppler imaging. Store a Cine loop to the hard drive. Cine loop and allow it to play on the image monitor. Select Q analysis from the touchscreen. The program will run and display Cine computation in progress. Please wait while the blood flow is being analyzed. Select the blood flow region of interest by using the freehand or elliptical ROI. Use the trackball to select the icon. To change the size of the elliptical ROI, turn the Set Sample Area Size button, then press Set. Use the frame-by-frame rotary dial to scroll through the image to select which frame you would like to be assessed. Press the statistics display on the touchscreen to display the quantitative values. You can repeat the steps for multiple samples.